Ayan guys, nakapasok na si Alonzo and meron siyang 3 classmates. Akala ko mag-arte-arte. Wala nang babay-babay. Wow! High five! Wow! Good morning guys! Yeah. After you eat, you take a bath. Ako yung laman ng bag ni Alonzo guys. Ito yung gagamitin niya. Yung bag niya dati pa, nilaban ko na lang. Tapos inside, may extra diaper, towel, and then extra pamalit. Yung baon niya. Ayan, hindi ko na nilagyan ng milk para mas madaling kainin. Padala ko din sa kanya to. And then water.
Wow, ganda ba yun?
Wow!
That's maganda.
Your classmate is wearing that too. Wait.
You're going to school now?
This is for volleyball. For volleyball.
It's your watch. Wow.
What? Do you have a watch?
Yes, I have watch too. My watch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very okay.
Ayan, so,
love that girl.
on the way na kami guys sa school. Oras yun ay 10:43. So, yung pasok niya is 11:30. So, may time pa naman. Malapit lang din naman yun dito sa amin. And you see that. Buti nakasama siya sa first day of school guys. Kasi, off niya. So, sakto. Pero kahit hindi mo off, feeling ko hindi kita mapasukin. Kasi first day of school, diba? Play school pa lang naman. Hindi pa siya big school. Pero, iba pa rin pagkasama ang family sa mga first time. Diba? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung yung outfit niya. Ang cute. Schoolboy na schoolboy. Did you bring your bag? Baka nakalimutan mo yung bag.
I bring your bag.
Bring your bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where did the bag? So it's over there.
Okay, good job. Are you excited?
Yes.
You tell them, are you excited? Wow, big boy na. You're going to school na.
Where's the school, Mommy? Where's the school?
We're going there na. Okay?
Okay.
Support natin, happy for us. So,
Yes, we're so excited.
para kay Alonzo, mamit ng mga new friends, classmates.
Pero hindi pa ganun kadami yung niya, parang classmate. Tignan natin. Kasi once na nag-start daw, dun parang nag-e-enroll yung mga magsa-summer. Kasi di ba kakatapos pa lang ng school. Ay. So yun.
Tapos
Ngayon, graduation sa ibang school. So habang tumatagal, tsaka daw dumadami yung mga giging or nag-e-enroll. Pero may isa na siyang classmate. So yan. Malapit na kami. And nasabi ko na ba na parang 1 hour lang yung niya. Yung time niya and then every MWF. So 1 month yun. Per cycle, nag-bike kami ng 5-6 ata per cycle. So MWF for 1 month. Ayun na, Chi. We're here. So dito na kami.
We're here.
We're here na guys.
I don't feel too shy.
Wow. We're here.
We're in the school now.
We're in school now. There, oh. See the the kids. See the kids. See. See? See Alonzo. Oh, TV. Lahat yan pala, no? From t-shirt to sapatos from bag. Ay, tsaka sa bag H&M. Puro H&M yung outfit niya. Let's go! We're excited! Puro H&M yan, guys. Picture muna namin siya habang maaga-aga pa. Wow! Ay, smile!
Smile dali. Happy.
Smile!
Happy lang.
Smile! Look at the camera.
Papa! Papa! Stop! Stop! Papa, come here. Come here, Papa. Mommy! Come.
Huh? Wow! Look around! Look around!
Which way you're
Hmm? What? Nangunguna pa, ah. Good job, Chief. Good job. Ayan guys, nakapasok na si Alonzo and meron siyang 3 classmates. Oo, pagkapasok niya ng pinto, nakita niya mga classmates at tumakbo agad siya. Akala ko mag-arte-arte. Wala nang babay-babay. Siya yung naglapag ng sapatos niya doon. Tapos tumakbo na siya agad sa loob. Waiting game lang kayo dito guys. 1 hour sila doon. Ayun, sabi nung teacher niya, nagpo-post naman daw sila ng pictures na mga activities na ginagawa nila every Saturday or Sunday. So, yun. Bawal kasing tumingin. May nakaharang. So, doon lang natin makikita. Oo, doon lang natin makikita yung mga kids kapag nag-post na sila ng picture. Pero, ayan. So, happy sinilip ko kanina si Alonzo. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Nakasmile siya.
Ganda yan, yung pinapalo. Parang
tuwa siya. Akala ko mag-arte-arte na gusto niya kaming isama sa loob.
Yung una-una, napawak-awak. Nung nakita niya
na may playmate. Tumakbo na, be. Hindi man lang kami tinignan pabalik. Iniwan na kami sa M. Pero nakakatuwa. Buti naman. So, waiting game kami dito ng 1 hour. Okay lang. Eh, may ibang parents din dito sa...
May hirap pala dito mag-atid. Kukumiyat ka ng place. Atid sa papilulo ka. Pagpilulo niya nagsundo. Saan sa lalata?
MWF. Eh, diba, Monday, kahapon, dapat yung first day nila. Kaya lang suspend dahil sa bagyo. So, ginawa nilang Tuesday. Tapos, bukas ulit. Tapos, Friday. MWF. Yan. So, ito pala yung facilities, guys. Parang hindi ko napakita masyado sa inyo nung una. So, yan. Dito yung entrance. Yung sa baba niyan, doon tayo pumasok. And then, pagka second floor kasi siya. Tapos, doon na yung classroom nila. So, sa loob nun, yung nakita nyo nung first, yung una namin punta dito. Parang may malawak na play area doon sa loob. And then, may 2 classroom dito sa gilid. Tapos, ito. Mayroong play pen dito. Play area din. Tapos, CR. Yan, maliit lang siya pero hindi naman kailangan malaki for play school, di ba? Pero maganda din yung malinis. Yan. Yan na. Diba may artwork agad? May artwork agad sila. Diyan na sila, guys. Come here.
Bye, see you tomorrow.
Nauna na. Hi! Hi! Wow! Wow! Careful, Jake. Hello! Wow! Galing! Hindi nyo may this?
Yes.
good job! Very good, Ching! Oo. Sabi na nga ba? Say thank you to teacher! Say bye! Oh. Very good naman pala eh. Yeah? Yeah, good job, Ching! Wow! High five! Wow! Ang cute.
And he talks a lot about Nino. So that he can easily adopt naman sa mga
lalo sa kids.
Kasi also read po ba sa bus? Tayo na sa painting class.
Wow. What? Ayun. Ang cute.
It was really nice to see them sharing with Taylor. He was also even asking if he can play with him. It was nice to see him ang mature na naman niya na attitude for his kids.
Mga matatanda yung kasama kaya. Oo.
And hindi nawala si Mika po, yung girl na classmate. Something happened to her yata. She wasn't hurt naman, but he was there to like, he was like,
tinuturuan na kasi, tinuturuan na namin siya maging caring. Kasi sa baby, big brother na, soon to be. Yeah. What's that?
you kiss. Baby sibling.
Wow. Kiss. Kiss baby sister. Wow. Very good.
See you tomorrow, ha?
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay?
Okay?
Tomorrow, okay?
Wow. Galing say bye-bye na to, Caleb. Bye. Thank you po. Thank you. Buena. Siya si Daddy Dan. Dan. Yes. Ito pa. Bye. Aba. Thank you po. Wow. Bye po. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Lalunch lang kami dito, guys, sa Villar Farm. 3 minutes away lang sa school ni Alonso. Lunch tayo. Ching, who's good boy daw, sabi teacher.
Ta-da!
Who's good boy daw?
Good boy ka daw, Ching.
Alonso.
Alonso is a good boy. Did you clean up your toys though?
Dito kami sa Villar Sipa. Ganda dito. Ay, Villar Sipa ba ito? Villar Farm pala. Malapit lang sa amin. Walang tao. Wala pang tao kasi sobrang init. Ang hali pa lang. And eat tayo. Ito yung kay Alonso. Kain tayo. Pizza, spag, and chicken. Tapos nag-add na lang kami rice. Sa akin wala pa. Sit properly na. Sit properly. Double flakes. Kain. Tapos ito, ang sarap na ito. Yung kanilang caramel cream base. Ang sarap. Kain. Say kain, guys.
Tayo.
Kain tayo, guys.